guys, we're going to go ahead and replace the keyboard and a battery and a MacBook Pro. It's 2012, and here we go. We may have a couple of interruptions if the phone rings or anything like that, as we are open for business today, so. Again, we are changing the keyboard for mid DVD drive. Words of wisdom? Sure, please keep all drinks and liquid items away from your Macs. Biggest problem we have seeing with Macs coming in the store are liquid damage due to people drinking their drinks next to their computers or eating next to their computers. So we see milk damage, wine damage, water damage, and so on. I want to remove the logic board from the Mac so we can get down to the keyboard area and get that removed and swapped out so we can get the rest of this computer up and going as soon as possible.
So, what made you interested in computers?
Interested in not only just computers, but all technology, including the mechanics of how things work, and what interests me about this particular field is the fact that there's always something different going on. Not every one issue with a computer is the same. So you can have many issues going on, and each time you look at it, something new is going on. It's never the same repair. There's always something a little different that goes on each time.
Oh. Do you have a specific type of computer that you admire the most?
I admire Macs, Apple products and stuff in general, just for the way they're designed and how intricate they are. And it's very interesting to see how they're able to come up with their design features to make their computers function and work. So I always think it's nice to see the craftsmanship and the way they perform their building process, from the first thought to the final design. It's very intriguing. And that's the new keyboard. And I'll be here for a few seconds more, removing tons of screws. Computer diagnostic. We don't charge to take a look at your computer. We'll let you know what it's going to cost to fix, what has to be fixed, so that way you can make an informed decision on whether or not you want to invest any money in fixing your computer, or if you just want to decide to replace it. If you decide to replace it, that's not a problem. 9 times out of 10, as long as you don't have any major hard drive failures or anything, we can recover your data and user account information from your computer and transfer it over to a new computer and get you back going, usually within a day or two. And for some of the lucky jobs, if it's a lot better and quicker diagnostic, we can most likely get you going within the same day. Keyboard is out finally. We remove the keyboard and power button assembly, and we are going to get ready to put it back together in just a moment, so stay tuned.
Okay.
Fans installed. This is the ribbon cable for the keyboard, and the backlighting is very tedious to put in. battery came to us at 50% charged. Wonderful. Keyboard's working. And looks like that's it. Everything's working properly. Keyboard, battery's charging. Looks like we're going to have a computer out. That's the conclusion of our video. Like and subscribe to our channel. And until next time, catch you later.